Happy Monday. It's Tim Wild, Meditation Monday. A little bit later this it's now this afternoon. I had a few things to do this morning, important things. So the energy that is coming through for today's meditation is a connection to the guardian angels, our guardian angels. And I'm kind of working through the various angelics that are presenting themselves. And guardian angels are coming through very strongly at the moment. So just as I'm speaking, relax, tune in. Many of us are aiming very high at the moment. We're going to the galactic levels. We're expanding ourselves out into the fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth dimensions. We're connecting with beings that are making themselves known and making themselves present and actually becoming part of our lives, part of our ascension process. But one of the most important connections that we will always have whilst navigating this incarnation or any other incarnation in the universe is our connection to our guardian angel, who is allocated to us at the beginning of our soul's journey. Now just imagine what our guardian angels have been through in the last 10,000 years or so. It does make me chuckle a little bit. It's a little bit like having that friend that is perpetually asking or needing guidance, but when you give it to them, they never pay attention, or they just simply go off and do something else. Our guardian angels have gone unnoticed for thousands and thousands of years while we've navigated 3D, and now we know they're here, we recognise them, we connect with them, but we're so busy sometimes aiming high, aiming far, that to bring it back to centre and remember that connection to our guardian angel is incredibly important. So let's do that now. Just take a few deep breaths in. Breathe into your heart, and the colour is gold. Just allow your heart to begin to open up, a beautiful golden white, pink portal of light in the centre of your chest, and breathe into it. And as you're doing so, either out loud or in your head, call to your guardian angel. Your guardian angel is always with you, always, regardless of what you're going through, what you're navigating, however you are feeling about yourself, or whatever you have done. Your guardian angel has always been there and always will be there. So just sense and feel into this very powerful, very loving, unconditionally loving angelic energy that is standing right next to you at this time. And as you tune into your heart, as you open your heart, feel the heart of your guardian angel opening, like open arms, like open wings, to enfold you in the warmest and the most beautiful golden light. Accept and relax within that embrace. Feel the acceptance, feel the love, feel the unconditional flow. Nobody knows you better than this guardian angel, who has seen you navigate incarnation after incarnation on this planet, on other planets, in other times, in other dimensions, in other bodies, in other roles. So just feel that knowing, that knowledge, that love. And it would appear this morning that your guardian angel is stepping forwards with an important gold print for you. It's just coming through. So having known you for so long, having seen you grow, seen you navigate the lows, seen you navigate the highs, at this point in time, as we step up, as we move forwards into this new era, this new golden age, your guardian angel is holding, like a cloak, this incredible new light body gold print. Physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, karmic bodies, meridians, chakras, everything. And you are being offered this beautiful gift, this presentation from your guardian angel. Many of us have become so accepting of the presence of our guardian angel. Our guardian angel has stood over us, watching and assisting and advising as we navigate through all of and traverse all of the ascension process so far. They are now assisting us to step up into our higher roles. This is what they've been waiting for. So as you relax into the embrace of your guardian angel, feel this guardian angel, your guardian angel, place a cloak around your shoulders. The outside of this cloak is a beautiful radiant gold, but the inside of the cloak is adorned with the most elaborate and beautiful and intricate light language. And this is the light language of the multiverse, as this has come from many times and many spaces. But as it is wrapped around you, just feel all of the light languages activating simultaneously and shining into your four body systems, your chakras, your meridians. Most importantly, the physical version of you, the version that is attending this incarnation at this time. And just breathe and relax as this beautiful gift is placed around your shoulders. This is the next phase of our incarnation on this planet. This is the stepping up into the higher roles. The earth is changing and so are we. And also the role of our guardian angels will change with us. As we evolve, they evolve. So just relax. As the cloak is placed around your shoulders, your guardian angel now stands in front of you, smiling, a beautiful and powerful radiant golden figure. And this angel is now placing its hand upon your heart center. It is speaking to you in a language that is pure, angelic, easy to understand. It will be words that may flow into your mind in a language that you are familiar with, or it might be telepathically imbued to you. But just allow yourself to receive a message of love, of encouragement. Something that may assist you on your ascension pathway, or words simply to hold you in a loving embrace at this particular point in time. The Guardian Angel Collective are saying that this gift, this beautiful upgrading process, this light embrace is available to every single one of us on the ascension pathway as we step into these higher roles. Now just allow the message from your angel to flow into you. It might flow into your heart, might flow into your third eye, might flow into your bodies and your fields in whatever way that you can understand it. And my angel is saying, do not be concerned if you do not receive anything at this precise moment in time. The voice and the information of the angelics can often flow through into our reality, so the messages are received in other ways. You may see something that prompts you. You might see something that triggers another flow of information. You might see numbers, you might see a feather. Whatever it is, you will be allowed to witness a sign that this work is occurring within you. As within, so without. And just feel this incredibly beautiful golden light moving through you, lighting you up. And your guardian angel is joyous to connect with you. They are also joyous to see the progress that we are making, all of them, collectively. They've waited a long time for us to make this connection, to return back to our conscious, imbued I am source state. So just allow that energy to flow into you, and the gratitude of the angelic kingdom that they feel as we serve alongside them once again. Just take a deep breath into your heart now. And as you breathe out, you might even start to feel your own wings beginning to grow, your wings of light. This is a process some of you may already be very aware of that is occurring within you. As we move forwards, as we grow, as we hold more light, as we step up, we develop our own wings, and we develop the angelic qualities that many of us look up to, that we all aspire to. And just take a few moments more to relax and breathe into that angelic energy. Feel it embracing you. Your guardian angel is stepping back now and just says, allow yourself time and space to just move into this new higher role. Many of us are being called to step back at the moment. Take time, take space, remove the things that really do not matter and replace them with the things that do, such as self-love, self-care, community, healing, all of the things that are associated with the heart centre. So just bring that into your reality. Some of us might need to bring it in slowly. Some of us can do it straight away. Be kind. Always be kind with yourself. So just say thank you to your guardian angel, not just for the connection this morning, but for all of the work, all of the love, all of the guidance. And just, your angel is acknowledging you too for all of the amazing work that you have done and that you have yet to do on this planet. Okay? So the angelic kingdom are sending us all so much love at this time. You can feel them all gathered around us, not just the guardian angels, but the archangels, the universal angels, the cherubim, the seraphim, the thrones, all of them. And we've got exciting times and amazing work to do on this planet. So that is Meditation Monday. Just allow yourself to settle into that new cloak, that new robe, and feel the light language pouring into your bodies, your fields, in whatever way that it makes itself known. Sending you all so much love, and I will see you on Friday for my Friday Ascension update. Bye for now.